All right, this week you'll begin digitally drafting your movie poster composition using the photographs and the tools that you've learned thus far. You'll need to download the movie poster template that's there to your left. You want to make sure you right-click it, you download it to your desktop as instructed in that homework video, the digital compositions that's down below, okay, on how to get started. All right. On that note, you want to make sure you watch that video as it's the basis for everything that you need to do with creating your movie poster, okay? It's in a summarized format, and it'll show you how to go about creating your movie poster using the template, okay? So technical-wise this week, you will be learning about the most important tools in the program. In theory, enough to execute your poster. So make sure you don't skip over any of these videos down below. They're really, really important, okay? The tools that you'll learn will be tools to transform images, how to make selections, how to manipulate only certain parts of an image. You'll also learn about masking, how to virtually cut out images and reveal parts of an image. Okay. Also, since this is a crucial week in terms of software learned, make sure that you contact me right away if you're having any problems with the lectures, okay, if you're not quite understanding something, okay? Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until the project is nearly due, because then it doesn't allow me to help you in a timely manner. That's especially true if it's, close to the weekend, because I'm not always available on weekends, okay? I'm usually pretty lenient during the first project. As the second project rolls around, I think you have a pretty good idea on how the class is structured, and I kind of leave it on you to be responsible and contact me if you have any problems with it, okay? All right, so good luck this weekend. I hope you enjoy the assignment. It's one of my favorites to do, so hopefully you'll enjoy it as well, all right? Good luck.